Hi you guys, how you doing all? I hope you guys are doing well and you all are safe. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Bhawna and I create content related to fashion, lifestyle and much more, and I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel before you watch my videos. So for today's video, I'm going to share my basic makeup routine, like the makeup which I usually do whenever I'm shooting a video or whenever I'm clicking my picture. Okay, I actually don't do very much of makeup. Like it's not like कि I actually don't want to, but मुझे आता भी नहीं है इतना ज़्यादा, तो इसलिए like मैं थोड़ा बहुत makeup कर लेती हूँ. So मैं बस वही आपको शो करूँगी. Along with that, I'm actually going to use these three products which I got from Blur India. Like it has this mascara and one kajal and one lipstick, and I'm going to review these products too. So yeah. So now enough of this blabbering, let's start the video. So the first thing which I usually do before I apply any sort of makeup on my face is that I apply moisturizer because you need it. So I'm gonna be using this Dot & Key smoothie cream. So yeah, like I'm not going to talk very much about the products which I'm going to use here because मुझे ही खुद नहीं पता कि इतना ज़्यादा, सो हम उसको ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं. We are done with the moisturizer, and you know what, like I love applying moisturizer on my face because I don't want to leave my skin dry. Like I don't like dry skin, so मैं जब भी like मेरे को ऐसे दिखता है तो मैं फिर दोबारा लगा लेती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा होता है. So I love it. So after the moisturizer I apply foundation, which is this Faces Canada का Ultime Pro. So you know what, ये काफ़ी लिक्विड फॉर्म में है एंड इट्स सो मच थिक. लाइक अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा भी यूज़ करो, इट्स लाइक एनफ फॉर योर होल फेस, विच आई रियली लाइक अबाउट दिस फाउंडेशन. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू डू लाइक दिस, इतना सा भी लो तो इट्स एनफ. नाउ विल डू दिस डॉट डॉट थिंगी. Then I'm going to be using this blender and blend it all over my face. I find this thing so boring now. I don't know whether you feel it or not, but कुछ ज़्यादा white तो नहीं लग रहा ना? Okay, so we are done with the foundation and it looks nice. दो माई ब्लेंडिंग गेम इज़ सुपर वीक. लाइक मुझे ये अच्छे से नहीं हो पाता है, आई डोंट नो वाई. एंड या मेरे को ना यहाँ पे मेरा डार्क सर्कल बहुत ज़्यादा है, लाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. सो आई एम गोना अगेन यूज़ द फाउंडेशन ओवर हेयर एंड जस्ट ब्लेंड इट बिकॉज मैं कंसीलर इतना गंदा ब्लेंड करती हूँ ना, बाय गॉड इतना गंदा, वो पूरा वाइट हो जाता है और वो क्या ही लगता है. Now I'm gonna blend it. Now we are done with the foundation, and now I'm going to use this blush palette from Revolution London, and I am going to make my cheeks look more pinkish. Like I love doing this. It's my most favorite part, like doing this blush thing and highlighter. So it's my most favorite thing because it's so easy, yeah. So I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to use this pink color. Okay, I have seen the beauty gurus doing this, so I do this. Like I also don't know why they do this, so it's just that I like that they do this, so I am doing this. So yeah, after this I am going to use the highlighter. कि ज़्यादा तो नहीं लग रहा ना, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट कि जब वीडियो ख़त्म हो जाए तो आप लोग बोलो कि तुमने तो बस हाइलाइटर लगा रखा।
देखो, हेलो बोलो, हेलो बोलो, हेलो।
ओके सो हाइलाइटर भी हो गया है। सो आफ्टर दिस आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस ब्लर इंडिया का मस्कारा। I really like this thingy over here because you know with that you can easily apply it over your lashes. You can apply this mascara on your brows also, like it is safe for your brows, so it's a good thing. So I'm done with the mascara and अभी ये कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है, like as you can see, like लग तो रहा है कि मस्कारा लगाया है, बट यू नो इतना ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम नहीं मिल रहा कि आई वुड लव इट, बट anyways I like this, so I would prefer it to you also. So now I'm going to use this Blur India ka lipstick, and this is in the nude shade. Like I love nude shade and color, तो I love it. So yeah. Also a great feature about their lipstick is that you know you guys can use their lipstick as eyeshadow or blusher also, or you can use it as lipstick, so it's great. This lipstick gives you such a good, you know, matte look, so I really like it. I would love to prefer this lipstick to you guys because you know what, like it's great. Like इसका जो कलर है ना वो एक बार में अगर आप अप्लाई करोगे तो इजीली आपको दिख जाएगा. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बार बार करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. एंड यू नो व्हाट, ये इतना ड्राई भी नहीं आपको लिप्स करता है. जैसे कुछ कुछ लिपस्टिक होती है जब हम अप्लाई करते हैं ना तो लिप्स एकदम ड्राई सी हो जाती है, बट इट्स नाइस. इट डजंट गिव्स यू दैट चैप्ड काइंड ऑफ feel, you know. It smells so good now, like ऐसा मन करता है कि खा लूँ because you know it contains castor oil and cocoa butter, so yeah. So the last thing which I have from Blur is this their Kohl Kajal. This is how it looks. Like this is in this black color, all black. There are so many features of this lipstick. You can use this lipstick, you know, as a lip liner also, or if you love to experiment with your looks, you know, you can try this lipstick. You know, अगर आप जैसे एक light lip shade use कर रहे हो, आप उसको थोड़ा सा और bold बनाने के लिए आप इस शेड को यूज़ कर सकते हो. I'm actually not going to apply this right now because of some issues, but why I'm telling you all this is कि ये मैंने पहले यूज़ किया है and you know it's great. Like मैंने काजल अप्लाई किया था and it's long lasting also, so it's a good thing. I would actually prefer you all these 3 items because I am very much happy with the, you know, outcome. So yeah, so I think we are almost done with everything. So the last thing is that कि I'm going to apply the liner, and yeah, we are done. So this is the liner which I use. This is the Insta liner from Lakme. ये लाइनर मैं 5-6 साल से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, सो मैं यही करती हूँ. मैं कभी कुछ अप्लाई नहीं करती नया. ऐसा होता है ना, एक चीज़ पसंद करते हैं या यूज़ करते तो वही करते रहते, तो मेरा साथ तो यही है भाई.
God, this is too tough. You know, कैमरे के सामने लाइनर लगाना is actually very tough.
Okay, so I have applied the liner and this is how it looks. And अभी ये थोड़ा सा dry हो जाएगा, फिर सब set है. It just get dry and I'm going to see you now. So this was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like my video and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going to see you soon guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.